Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover security based forms and security based dashboards and also security based model driven apps and also uh, importance of workflow scopes and security teams, field security. Okay, all these topics today we are going to cover. First thing is forms. Okay, forms. For example, if you see it, Bajaj products. Okay, Bajaj product, we have only one product for Bajaj. Okay, only one form is there. So, but I will, what I will do, I will log out and I will log in with another user. See now I have logged with Vijay Kumar user ID and now you are able to see sales manager and sales person. Two forms are there. So, but this Vijay Kumar is having security manager role. So that's why we are able to see two forms. But for example, if you see manager form, manager is having one extra section here. Okay, shipping section, one extra section is there. But where in salesperson, this shipping section is not there. Only one complete form is there. Okay, so form level security, how we can create? That is the concept. Form level security. First, forms, multiple forms, how you will create? I will show you. First, go to this advanced settings and forms solutions and products. Let's say products we are going to talk about and entities. Under entity, our form is there. This is form. Okay, we have two forms here, right? How I created? Just select any form like this main form only, or open it, or else I will do one thing. I will duplicate this one only and sales manager. Another form I am creating. Okay, this is one form and save as VP. But before that, I want to give one shipping details already there, right? Yeah. And if you want, you can create one section. How to create section? Go to insert and section and add the fields. That's it. But now, as of now, I'm not giving any sections. Save as vice president like that. VP. VP. Okay. Vice president. That's it. One form will be created. Extra form. And next, publish. Save and publish. And after that, save and close. Save and close and publish it again. Product level. Sales manager. Publish it again. And go and test it. Three forms should it be there, right? Vijay Kumar login has three forms by default. But I want to restrict them. User level, I don't want to show the vice president form. How we can do, I'm going to show you. For example, if you open a new tab, salesperson is there, sales manager is there, and refresh and once again, vice president also there. Three forms will be there. So anyway, this is not refreshing, maybe it might take some time, but anyway we will check with the manager role first. Okay, manager role. Bajaj product, for example, if you see here, we are having two roles. Okay, we are having two roles. Okay, how this role is this user is having roles. I am going to show you. Form level security role we are going to create. Okay, so go to this again advanced settings, advanced settings. Already I opened, right? Okay, solutions and Bajaj product. Open it, and now I am going to create a security role for VP or a manager. Okay, manager. Let's say manager. Bajaj product manager. Here you can see security role. This is our form, but here security role one role will be there. Control F, security role. Okay, this one, security roles. Go to security roles, existing one. I am removing it and create a new role. The role name is, for example, Bajaj manager. Bajaj manager, and save and close. Don't give any key privileges. Okay, just Bajaj manager only, form level security. So this role should have the access to the manager form. Okay, this role should have access the manager form. Okay, for example, if you see forms, okay, under forms, enable security role is there, select it. Okay, you must select one of the prior. For example, VP and sales manager, these. Okay, anyway, one module I am selecting, sales manager. Select it, sorry, select it and enable security role, and display to everyone means this module or this form. If you select this first option, it will display to everyone, but to display only the selected security role, select this one. So our role is Bajaj electronics. Bajaj, unselect all of them first of all, and Bajaj manager, select it. Bajaj manager, this one. And anyway, basic user already we have it. Okay, no need to worry about it. Bajaj manager, you can select it, only one. That's it. Now sales manager form will display only Bajaj manager, and another one is also VP also I am selecting. Maybe this is not reflecting in that forms, but anyway I am selecting this also. Enable security role, again manager only, Bajaj manager. I am giving this also. Okay, two. So VP module, sales manager module, whoever is say these forms, whoever is having these roles, Bajaj manager role, those people can only view it. Okay, anyway, let me refresh it and publish it and refresh it. Publish. That's it. There is some issue, refresh issue is there, but anyway now what I am doing, this this is my another user, Jayanagar user. I have not assigned any role like manager and also VP role. So now if you refresh it, it won't display. Okay, now I am refreshing, so only one tab is displaying under products. Yeah. So now only one form is there for Jayanagar user. Okay. And now I am giving this Jayanagar user to that manager role. See, this is the only one user, right? Now I am giving to this user that role. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I think now. Yeah, now there is no forms. Now I am going to assign a manager role to this user, and we'll see. Just go to again this one and security module, security module. All security related in this module only we have, and users, and assign that role. That's it. Yeah, now this is the user. I'm going to add manager role and VP role also. VP is not there, right? So sorry, manager role. Manage role, and come down. Select basic role, right? Basic role, and basic manager is already okay. This is not one. This one, Bajaj manager, Bajaj user, and basic user, and also we'll check other roles if there is any other roles are assigned or not. Nothing is there. Click OK. That's it. And minimize it and refresh it. See, now you are able to see VP, and also salesperson is also there. Okay, two roles are displaying. Sales manager is also we have to add it. Okay, maybe I might not add it. Sales manager should also display. I think only VP I have added. Okay, let me recheck it. For example, if you click on new, salesperson anyway default VP is there, and manager also if you want you can add it. Let me add quickly. This one, right? This one, yeah. Now VP is also displaying. Okay, now anyway this product forms, go to forms, the manager, sales manager, select it and enable security role, and anyway select Bajaj manager role. Bajaj already it is there. Maybe sometimes okay, maybe that is not displaying, but it is taking as VP. Maybe I'm not sure, but anyway, it is already selected. Manager is selected, and VP also. I think. Let me check VP. Yeah, Bajaj manager is also there. Maybe it is taking some time actually. So that's why VP earlier it was not displaying. Now it is displaying. Even though in the first window also, let me retest it. This one, right? Here, let me retest. Earlier it was not displaying VP. Once again, refresh it. So this is form level. Form level, which form you want, you have to select, go to the form and select that particular form and assign to that role. That's it. Form level will be available. Okay. So I think it is clear. Okay. I think there is some refresh issue. Might be after some time it might be refreshed. But if you see Jayanagar user, the VP, yeah, okay. Now it is displaying. Okay. This is the same one I am testing. Yeah, VP there. Okay, VP. Okay, any one form, I think duplicate forms are not displaying. One form is displaying, VP form is displaying. That's fine. Our testing is only form level access. Okay, so this is how we can do it. And next one, dashboards. So how to enable this role to the dashboard? For example, managers only wanted to see the dashboards. Some managers. Okay, that time how will you enable dashboards to the manager? Only manager. Okay, go to dashboards. Whichever role you want, you can enable to them. This is the dashboard. Select it and enable security role. That's it. Okay, and select this one and select your role. For example, VP, sorry, manager role, right? Bajaj manager. Select it and click OK. Only Bajaj managers will see that dashboard. For example, sales team also sometimes they want also see some dashboards. Sales team members. So we can create dashboard and we can assign to them by selecting enable security roles. Okay. So this is another one, right? And the next one is model driven apps also. Model driven apps. What is model driven? I think you already know, right? Whichever this one, Bajaj Electronics is a model driven app. Okay. Usually we are giving access to the respective teams only. See, dynamic CRM, it is admin level access. If you have it, then you will get it. And Bajaj Electronics, for example, select it, click on three dots and manage roles and select your Bajaj manager role. Okay, and if you don't want any other role, remove it and save it. Okay, so only those people, whomever, whichever role you are assigning, those role people only can access this app. Okay, so that is role level also available, role level security. And another one is field level also. Field level in Bajaj Electronics, if you see laptop or any discount, one record I am creating first. Record name is, for example, keyboard, and product ID automatically it will display, and selling price and a discount is there, right? Discount field 15 percentage I am giving and save it. Keyboard discount I am giving 15 percentage, remember. Okay, so this discount I want display only selected teams. For example, sales team member I don't want display, only VP level I want to display. VP level. Okay, how can we enable it? Field level security. So again go to the backend solutions entities, and there is a option like component called field level security. Field level profiles. Select it and select new one new profile, and now discount, Bajaj discount, Bajaj product discount. Just type it, save it, and field permission. You have to give the permission also. Okay. So what permissions you can give? Discount, right? Field, which field you want? Discount. Select the discount field. If you don't get it, just type Control F, discount. Somewhere open deal. Assuming field level security, you are already creating like this one, right? Here all fields are displaying. Whichever field we are having security field level, those fields only we can give. But our discount field is not there. Our discount field is not there here. How can we give the permission? So while creating the field itself, we have to give it. Okay. So in the entities, Bajaj products, under fields. Okay. So you see discount, right? D- Discount. See, this is the field that we are going to set up the field level security. Now, field level is disabled. You see, disabled. You have to enable it, right? You have to enable it and save and close and publish it. Then only the field will be available in that profile. Save and close and Bajaj product and publish it. So while creating the field itself, you want to provide the security for that field or not, you have to check it. You have to enable it. Okay. While creating the field itself. And now you go and check it, that field should be there, field level security. So open it and check it. Bajaj product to field level security. So now go to the permission, field permission, and discount should be displayed here. Discount entity somewhere. Yeah, this is the discount. Okay, double click it and allow read. Okay, yes, read we must know. Allow, if you say no means it won't display. Allow update no, allow create also no. Okay, just click on OK, because we don't want to update it, right? We don't want to create it. So just only read. If someone is giving it, then read permission only we are giving. So now we have given permission, okay, to the user. Which user? You see, users also we have to add. There is no users. Okay, we have to add the users or teams also. If you want to teams also, we can assign. But anyway, first users. So now I am going to give add one user. For example, Jayanagar. Jayanagar, two users. I am selecting, and also if you want, you can select other user. These users will not have the access. Update it, save and close, and publish it. Anyway, directly we can check it. I think publish is also available. Let me publish it. And now go and check the Jayanagar user. This is the Jayanagar user one. Okay, let me check it. Now, see now you can see that discount field is grayed out. Okay, grayed out. If someone has given the discount, he can view it, but he cannot create the discount. For example, if you see keyboard discount 15 percentage, owner is Vijay Kumar. Okay, we are testing with Jayanagar. See, now is unable to edit it. This is called field level security. Field level security actually, when we will get it is payment, for example, mm, your salary slip, right? Salary pay slips should not edit it, it should only display, right? So in that case, we can create the field level security. Okay, and the teams also, because every time, you know, one user is not possible, right? This field level security. So that's why what we can do is we can assign to the teams itself. Okay, one team we can create and we can give it to the teams itself. Let me show you field level security. It is a very good interview question actually. Field field level security. So none of the questions are directly asked. They don't ask directly. Indirectly they will ask. Okay. So you have to understand their context. You know, if you see this profile, you know, just I have added only one person, one Jayanagar, one or two. Okay. But I want teams. Okay, you can add the teams. For example, Hyderabad teams are there, right? We have teams Hyderabad. Just HYD, sorry. Somewhere Hyderabad will be there. You can select that. Yeah, central user is there. Central user. Select it and add it. So the central users means it is a team actually. Team name is central user. So all the team members will get that access. Yeah, I'm going to talk about teams. Okay, teams. How we are going to create the teams. So teams is, for example, if you go and check the um, business units earlier that we have created, teams are already there actually. Okay, system itself it is created. Let me show you. This is product, and yeah, go to advanced settings and teams, advanced settings, and here you can see the security module, and say teams. If you see teams, these are all the teams. So system has been already created. Even though our teams also will be there. For example, we have added some business users, right? My owner teams. 1 minute. My all owner teams. See now, yeah, Telangana, Varangal, okay, Miapur branch. For example, let's say Miapur branch. We have added two names, right? Two users in that branch. Two users will be there. Automatically, see Miapur branch is there. I think there is no users in this branch. Team members, I think you can add it if you want to. For example, Mia, like Mia, type it and search it. Miapur user one is there. Okay, anyway, there is some issue. So, otherwise, directly when you are adding to the business unit, teams will be created. For example, um, one user, one user, I will test Miapur user or Jayanagar. Jayanagar user one. Test it. Go to security and user. Jayanagar. See Jayanagar, open one record. See Bajaj Electronics, Bangalore home branch we have added. This is the team. In the right hand side you see. Okay, if you select this team, so these many users are there. Earlier we have added to this team, right? That's why it was giving error. Okay, so branches, for every branch we have added the users. The branch itself acted as a team. Automatically system has created as a team. Okay, sir, why we need to create teams, sir? That is the question, right? For example, if Bajaj Electronics, if you see, okay, your see now you are creating one record and you want to change one team. Okay, you want to change it to the team members directly. Bangalore something is there at BNG. See BNG is there, and beside that you have team also. Select team also. This one. Let me search another record. So you don't want this owner. You want assign to the team. Okay, BNG like say, and advanced. Just I selected advanced settings, and also teams is also there. BNG team will come, or HM home like that. You can type it with the keywords. Okay, I think teams are not displaying BNG, right? BNG. Okay, Vijay Kumar is Hyderabad, right? So that's why it is not displaying. Maybe. Okay, let me test one teams. So these are all the teams, and you can select at the end KPHB branch, Miapur branch. Okay, this is teams only. These are all team names. If you want, you can check it here. Okay, Warangal, Telangana. Okay, now I want to create a, like assign to the Miapur branch. Select it, done it. So now Miapur branch will be assigned. But product name is, for example, holder or bulb. Okay, and now what will happen? You say, see, if I save it, it will throw the error. I think because that role is not assigned to the team. That's why it will throw the error. If you assign to the team, okay, already the team is having the role. That's why there is no issue. If the team is not having that Bajaj Electronics role, okay, it will throw the error. You have to assign it. Okay, so that is what you need to check it. So now you understood, right? Teams why we use. For example, another example also I will tell you. Customer service tickets are there, right? Tickets we will create it, right? Usually whenever you create a ticket, we will assign to the teams only. Okay, so teams again they will check and they will assign to their names. Okay, for example, you want to work with this ticket. Okay, what you will do, you will take out this Miapur branch and you will assign to yourself. Okay, like that. So that's why teams also we create it. Okay, and another way of creating teams is again go to the security module. So this is by default whatever I showed you. By default business, when you are creating the business unit and when you are assigning to that business unit, automatically it is created. But now I want to manually create the team and I want to assign to them. Again go to the security. Security is the module where you can find out all the security related thing. So So now teams also there under security we have teams. Okay, so select teams and create a team, new team like this. See, this is the team, right? Now test team like that I am creating. For example, team name is test Bajaj team. Bajaj team or manager, Bajaj manager team. Bajaj manager team. Okay, and administrator anyway, my name will be there. Okay, my whoever is creating, he is the admin, Vijay Kumar. You can select Vijay Kumar. Okay, and owner also, team type is owner, and save it. This is how we can create. After that, we have to assign the team members. Means, for example, we are creating managers, right? Managers you have to assign. Okay, save. It is save, and you can add it. Manager, for example, Hyderabad user one you want select it. It is not responding properly. Yeah, now it is loading. You see, it is slowly it is loading. HYD. Let's say HYD. Miapur user one, right? Okay, I think it is slowly. We have to click on plus icon and add user and search it like this. So now Miapur user. Okay, select it. Now I have added again plus icon BNG, right? Jaya, search it. Jayanagar user one. Okay, like that you can add it. Mm, okay, Jaya, Jayanagar 2 I am adding. One I am not adding. I think Jayanagar 2 I am adding. Save it. I think it is Miapur only added and save it. Like that you can add the team members, whomever you want. Okay, this is manager's team, sales team members like that. Vice president team like that you can add the team and assign to them. This is manually creating. Okay, so but usually when you are creating branches, right? That time also usually when you assign to the user, that branch itself act as a team. Okay, that branch itself act as a team. That is another way. Auto system will create it. So these two ways we can create the teams, and teams also very important because in customer service most of the time teams only we use it. Customer service we have a module, right? In that most of the time teams they will assign to the teams only. But anyway, tomorrow we will cover remaining topics and scope of the workflow scope also one pending activity tomorrow we will cover it. So that's it for today. Thank you. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.